Now students, let us start with the exercise 1.5. Very first question. If x and y are two sets such that x union y equal to 50 and x has 28 elements, means n of x is 28, y has 32 elements, means n of y is 32, we have to find out x intersection y. Now let us do this question. Now students, I told you the formula that n of x union y is equal to n of x plus n of y minus n of x intersection y. So this is 50, 28 plus 32 minus x of x intersection y. So we get 50 minus 32 plus 28, 60 equal to minus of x intersection y minus 10 equal to minus n of x intersection y. So it implies n of x intersection y. This is equal to 10. So students, this is the answer, that x intersection y equal to 10. Now students, second question. Let a and b be two sets such that n of a equals to 35, n of a intersection b equal to 11, n of a union b dash, this is equal to 17, and n of u, this is 17. Number 1, find out n of b, n of a minus b, and n of b minus a. Now let us do this question, students. Students, I told you the formula that n of a union b complement, this is equal to n of u minus n of a union b. N of a union b complement equals to n of u minus n of a union b. Now this is 17, n of u is 57 minus n of a union b. So students, it implies n of a union b, this is equal to 40, n of a union b equal to 40. Now let us find out first part, n of b. Now students, we know the formula that n of a union b, this is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now n of a union b is 40, n of a is 35, n of b is to be find out, and this is 11. A intersection b is 11. So we get 40 minus of 24 equals to n of b. So it implies n of b, this is equal to 16. So students, this is the first part, that n of b equal to 16. Now second part is, now students, we know the formula n of a is equal to n of a minus b plus n of a intersection b. Now n of a is 35, n of a minus b is to be find out, and n of a intersection b, this is 11. So n of a minus b, this is equal to 35 minus 11, 24. So n of a minus b is 24, students. And similarly, the third part is n of b minus a. Now students, we know the formula that n of b equals to n of b minus a plus n of a intersection b. Students, you can see the formula list. I have told you all the formulas. Now n of b, n of b is 16. In first part we have calculated n of b is 16, n of b minus a is to be find out, and n of a intersection b is 11. So 16 minus 11 equals to n of b minus a. So n of b minus a equal to 5. So students, these are the three parts. I hope all these are clear to you. Now students, let us start with the question number third. Now let us see question number third of exercise 1.5. The question is, students, in school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. So because here or is given, so it means this is n of A union B equals to 20. Of these 12 teach mathematics. So it means here write M and P. M for maths and P for physics. And 12 teach mathematics. And 4 teach both mathematics and physics. 4 teach mathematics and physics. This is equal to 4. So we have to tell that how many teach physics. ये हमने find करना है that how many teach physics. So students, here to very simple question, we know that M of union P equals to n of M plus n of P minus n of M intersection P. So this is 20, this is 12, n of P minus of 4. So we get 20 minus 12 plus 4 equal to n of P. So n of P is equal to 24 minus 12. This is 12. So number of teachers who teach physics is 12. Now students, sum number 4. In a class of 60 boys, there are 45 boys who play cards and 30 boys who plays carom. Also, each boy likes to play at least one game. So use set operations to find how many boys play both the games, how many play cards only, and how many play carom only. Now students, let us see this question. So students, in this question we are given that n of A cards and carom. So let set of cards is represented by set A, and set of carom is represented by set B. So here n of A union B, because there are total students is 60, right? And who play cards, it means n of A equal to 45, sorry. Who play cards is 45, and who play carom, this is equal to 30. Now students, here one line is written that each boy likes to play at least one game. So if this line is written that at least one boy likes to play one game, so it means A union B is given to us, and if this is not given, then U is given to us. I tell you in the coming questions. So here, because this line is written that each boy likes to play at least one game, so this is union. A union B is equal to 60. So let us make a Venn diagram. This is set A and this is set B. So here I want to find out how many play both the games. It means in first part I have to find out n of A intersection B. In second part, how many play cards only. So it means I have to find out n of A minus B. And in the third part, how many play carom only. It means B minus A is to be find out. Now let us students find out one by one. So solution. First part. We know the formula, students, that n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Right, students? This is the formula we know. Now n of A union B 60, n of A is 45, n of B is 30 minus n of A intersection B. So we get 60 minus 45 minus 30 equal to minus of A intersection B. So 60 minus 75 minus n of A intersection B. So it implies n of A intersection B. This is equal to 15. So this is the first answer. Then in second part, now in the second part, now let us see what is to be done in second part. Now n of A minus B. Students, this is our n of A minus B. ये हमारा n of A minus B होता है. This is n of A minus B and this part is n of B minus A. I told you the formulas. Now the formula is that n of A is equal to, I told you the formula, n of A equal to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B. Because n of A is a sum of 2. This is n of A minus B. This is our A minus B. So I write over here, this portion is called A minus B and this one is A intersection B, A intersection B, and this is called, this is our B minus A. So n of A equals to n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B. Now n of A is 45, A minus B is to be find out, plus A intersection B, this is 15. So n of A minus B is equal to 30. Right students, this is the answer of second part. And similarly third part. Now for third part we have n of B. N of B equals to n of B minus A plus n of A intersection B. So n of B we have 30, n of B minus A is to be find out, and intersection is 15. So students, n of B minus A will be equal to 15. So students, this is the solution of this question. So I hope this is clear to you students. Now students, let us start with the sum number 5. Now see what is the sum number 5. Now there are 210 members in a club. 100 of them drink tea and 65 drink tea but not coffee. If every member drink at least one of tea or coffee, then how many drink coffee and how many drink coffee but not tea? So students, here also we are given n of, we can write T union C, means T means tea and C means coffee. So this is 210 and 100 of them drink tea. So n of T equals to 100. 65 drink tea but not coffee. It means T minus C. This is 65 and we have to find out how many drink coffee. Means n of C is to be find out and n of C minus A is to be find out. So these two things are to be find out in this question. Now let us see the solution of this question. First of all, let us make a Venn diagram. Now here, this is intersection and this region represents T minus C. ये हमारा T होता है और ये हमारा C है. This is T minus C and this is not C minus A, this is C minus T is to be find out. C minus T. So students, this is C minus T. Red portion. This red portion is T minus C and this red portion is C minus T. C minus T. Now let us see that how to find out. How many drink coffee? Now let us see. We know the formula students that n of T minus C T intersection C equals to N of T. We know this formula, N of T minus C plus N of T intersection C equal to N of T. So N of T minus C equal to 65. Intersection is to be find out, and N of T is 100. So N of T intersection C equal to 100 minus 65. This is equal to 35. Now, after this, now students, we know the formula N of T union C is equal to N of T plus N of C minus N of T intersection C, right? So T union C, this is 210, N of T is 100, N of C is to be find out, and intersection is 35. So 210 minus 100 plus 35 equal to N of C. So we get, on solving it, we get 135. 245 minus this, so N of C is equal to 145. So this is our first answer. So this is the first answer, that N of C equal to 145. Now let us find out C minus T. Now students, here we can write for second part that now this is our N of C total, and this portion, red portion, is C minus T, and this black region is intersection. So we can write N of C minus T plus N of C intersection T equal to N of C. So N of C minus T. So this is to be find out, and intersection is how much? This is 35, and N of C is 145. So N of C minus T, this is equal to 110. So students, this is the answer of second part. So I hope students this is clear to you. Now students, let us start with sixth question. In a class of 25 students, 12 students have taken economics, 8 have taken economics but not maths. Find number of students who have taken economics and maths, and those who have taken maths but not economics. Now students, here in this question we are given that N of E economics union maths equals to 25, and who have taken economics, these are 12 students, 8 have taken economics but not maths. So E minus M, this is equal to 8, and then we have to find out number 1 who have taken economics and maths. Yani we have to find out E intersection M, and in the second part we have to find out who have taken maths but not economics, or we can say only maths. So let us do this question. First of all, what we do, let us make Venn diagram. Let us make a Venn diagram, students. So this region is, this is students set E, and this is suppose set for math students, and this is the region for shaded region. This is E minus M, right? And this is E intersection M, and this shaded region, this is our M minus E. So now let us find out one by one, students. First part. So here we know that the formula is that we have, this is our set E, and we know the formula that N of E minus M plus N of E intersection M, this is E minus M plus E intersection M, this is equal to N of E. So E minus M is 8 plus N of E intersection M is to be find out equal to N of E. N of E is 12. So N of E intersection M equal to 4. So this is the solution of first part. Right, students? Now second part. Now to find the second part, students, I told you the formula that N of E union M. Now students, you can see there are three parts. There are three parts. First part is this, second part is intersection, and third part is M minus E. First part is E minus M, this shaded region. Middle part is E intersection M, and this part is third part is M minus E. And we know the formula that E union M can be written like this also, E minus M plus N of E intersection M plus N of M minus E. So union M, this is 25. E minus M, this is given to us 8. Intersection is 4 plus N of M minus E. So students, from here N of M minus E equal to 25 minus 12. So this is equal to 13. So students, the answer is N of M minus E is equal to 13. So this is the solution of this question. Now students, let us start with the seventh question. In seventh question, in a class of 35 students, 24 likes to play cricket, 16 likes to play football, 16 likes to play 24 likes to play cricket. So N of cricket is 24, and 16 likes to play football, and here C union F, this is equal to 35. Right, students? Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. So how many students play both? So we have to find out. C intersection F is to be find out. So students, let us do this question. So very simple question, students, I hope. So इसमें we can write N of C union F equals to N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. So this is 35, N of C is 24, N of F is 16 minus N of C intersection F. So 35 minus 40. So this is equal to like this, minus 5 equal to. So students, the answer is C intersection F equal to 5. So students, this is our answer. Now students, in number 8, in an examination, 80 students secured first class marks in English or mathematics. English or mathematics. So this is sum number 8, N of E union M equal to 80, and second is 50 students secured first class marks in mathematics. So these are 50 in number, and 10 students in English and mathematics. So how many students secured first class in English only? So it means we have to find out E minus M. English only means E minus M. So students, let us do this question. Now students, let us start the solution. So students, let us see the solution. So N of E union M, this is equal to N of E plus N of M minus N of E intersection M. So this is equal to 80, N of E plus 50 minus 10. So N of E, this is equal to 80 minus 40. This is equal to 40. So first we find out N of E. Now to find out E minus M. You can see the Venn diagram, students, to make it more clear. So this is our set E, and this is our set M, and this region, this shaded region, represents E minus M. This shaded region is E minus M, and this region is E intersection M. Right, students? So we know the formula that N of E is equal to N of E minus M plus N of E intersection M, like this, right? So N of E, this is equal to 40, E minus M is to be find out, and intersection is 10. So students, N of E minus M is equal to 30. So students, this is the answer for this question. So number of students who secured first class marks in English only, so these are 30 in number. So students, this is the solution of number 8th question. Now students, let us see the sum number 9th. So 9th question is, in a group of people 50 speak both English and Hindi. English and Hindi. This is equal to 50, and 30 people speak English but not Hindi. English but not Hindi. These are 30. English but not Hindi. And all the people speak at least one of the two languages. How many people speak English? Means we have to find out how many people speak English. Right, students? So here we can use the formula that N of E equals to N of E minus H plus N of E intersection H. So N of E is to be find out, and E minus H is 30, and this is 80. N of E intersection H is 50. N of E minus H is 50, and N of E intersection H is 50. So from here we get N of E equals to 80. So students, this is the answer. If you want to make the Venn diagram, you can make the Venn diagram also. So this is this shaded region is E minus H, which is to be find out. This is E intersection H. Now students, here this E, so this is given to us, this shaded region, this E minus H is given to us how much? This is 30, and this intersection is how much? This is 50. So when we add them, so we want to find out N of E. This is to be find out. So this is the sum of E minus H plus E intersection H. So 30 and plus 50. This is equal to 80. So students, this is the answer. Now students, 10th question. Out of 40 students in a class, 16 study English, 22 accountancy, and 26 economics. 5 study English and economics, 14 accountancy and economics, and 2 study all the 3 subjects. If each student studies at least one of the 3 subjects, then find the number of students who study English and accountancy, but not economics. So first of all, students, let us take set of English students. Let set of English students. Let set of English students is represented by A, set of accounts by set B, and set of economics is represented by C. Right? So here in this question we are given that there are how many students? 40 students. So here we are given that n of A union B union C equal to 40. N of A means who study English, this is equal to 16. N of B, students who study accounts, 22. And students who study economics, this is 26. And students who study English and economics, these are 5. English and economics 5 है. And students who study accounts and economics, these are 14. And students who study all the 3 subjects, n of A intersection B intersection C, this is equal to 2. And n of A intersection B is to be find out who study English and accountancy, and also second part is English accountancy but not economics. English and accountancy but not economics, this is also to be find out. So students, we can do this question by using Venn diagram. This is set A for English, this is set B for accountancy, and this is set C for economics. So here all subjects, there are 2 students in who study English, accounts and economics, these are 2. Now A intersection B is to be find out, and then we have A intersection C. A intersection C is 5. So this is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. B intersection C is 14. So this is 2. So this part will be 12. And N of C. N of C is 26. This total is 26. So 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. So this is 9. N of B. So first of all, we find out A intersection B, only then we can find out this. So students, we know the formula. N of A union B union C, this is equal to N of A plus N of B, N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. So this is 40. So 40 is equal to 16 plus 22 plus 26 minus N of A intersection B is to be find out, minus 14 minus 5 plus 2. So students, we get, on solving it, we get 40, and this is minus 64, and this is equal to plus 17 equal to minus N of A intersection B. So N of A intersection B, this is equal to 7. So students, we are getting N of A intersection B is 7. So if N of A intersection B is 7, so this will be 5, and N of A is 16. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. So it will be 6, and N of B is 22. 7 is 19, or this portion will be, sorry, N of B is 22. So this will be 3. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. So 19 plus 3, 22. So this is completely 22. Now, second part is how many students study English and accountancy but not economics, So it means we have to find out this region. I am shading it. This region is to be find out. By Venn diagram, we have find that this is 5. 5 is the number of the students who study English and accountancy but not economics. So by formula also we can find out, means we have to find out English, accounts but not economics, C dash. English and accountancy, but not economics. So if I want to find out this shaded region, so how to find out? N of A intersection B minus क्या करेंगे हम? So we can write N, the formula is N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection B intersection C. We can do like this also. So N of A intersection B intersection C dash equal to N of A intersection B minus N of A intersection B intersection B. Either we can do by Venn diagram, and by Venn diagram we have find out this is 5. और अगर हमने formula use करना है, so we can use the formula also. So this is N of A intersection B. This is 7. ये भी हमने find किया है. And N of A intersection B is 2. So this is equal to 5. So this is your answer. So students, I hope these parts are clear to you. Now students, the remaining question we will discuss in the next video.